You guessed it, it's Savvy Tech Grandma again, bringing you another technology tip, this time for the browser Chrome. Google just created a new feature in Chrome for automatically grouping tabs into logical groups. I really needed this since I had about a dozen tabs opening at startup. Note, there are several ways to do this. This is just the one that seemed easiest to me. Open Chrome. Open all the tabs that you might use in a single session. Right-click on one of your tabs and choose Organize Similar Tabs. In my case, there were several that I didn't want grouped with the others, so to remove them, I click on the minus sign on the right side for each one to be removed. Then make sure the title is what makes sense to you. In this case, Chrome did a good job with the title, so I click Create Group. Now I want to create a group with some of the ones I didn't want in the other group. So I click on one of the tabs and click Organize Similar Tabs. Chrome just wants me to add them to the other group. I tried again. This time I get an error, no groups found. I tried twice without success, so I manually create a new group by right-clicking the tab and going to Add Tab to Group. New Group. I type a name for the group. Then I right-click on another tab to be added to this group and choose Add Tab to Group and select the new group that I just created. I want one more group to organize the rest of my tabs. I right-click on the first tab of the new group, choose Add Tab to Group, New Group, and type a name for the new group. I right-click the other tab I wanted to be added to this group and choose the new group. Now I can expand or contract the groups, move them around to order them the way I want. When I first open Chrome, I can go to the Favorites bar and open each of my groups. If I decide I don't want one or more of the groups open, I can right-click on the group and click Close Group. It returns to the Favorite bar for later access. I still think the automatically organizer of tabs needs some more training. It didn't organize tabs in the same way I would. It was still acceptable. I could have lived with all the tech sites being grouped together, but I wanted the organization to be more finite. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You won't want to miss the next video where I try out Google's new AI themes. Bye for now.